Greetings, mortals. Today I come not to recount tales of conquest or battles waged, but to speak of a lesson far more crucial, learning from one's mistakes. Mistakes are an inevitable part of our existence. They are the crucibles through which we forge our wisdom. To ignore them is folly, but to embrace them is to seize the opportunity for growth. I am no stranger to mistakes. Countless battles lost, choices made in haste, and regrets that haunt me still. But from each misstep I glean knowledge, strength, and the resolve to forge ahead. Acknowledge your mistakes. Do not shy away from them, for they are the stones upon which the foundations of wisdom are laid. Reflect upon them, dissect them, and unearth the lessons they conceal. Do not wallow in self-pity or allow guilt to consume you. Instead, channel that remorse into fuel for your journey towards self-improvement. Learn to forgive yourself. Redemption lies not in erasing past mistakes, but in using them as stepping stones towards a better path. Your mistakes do not define you. It is your actions in the aftermath, the choices you make, and the lessons you carry forward that shape your destiny. Remember this. Through perseverance, introspection, and a steadfast resolve to learn, you shall emerge stronger, wiser, and unyielding in the face of adversity. Learn from your mistakes, mortals, for it is in the crucible of error that true strength is forged.